tight on space. Here's what I did with my clamps. As you can see, got a fair amount of clamps. Got these stacked one on top of the other. Trying to squeeze every inch. Bunch of different styles. They all come in handy, man. So you can see I've got, that's 8 Bessies. So stacking them one on top of the other, for me, takes up a lot less space in this side-by-side thing. That's it. Oh, one more spot. Can't forget the bar clamps. Kind of hard to see here. Got these boards hanging down. Just drill the holes. There's bar clamps.